Hey there, carbon-based life forms. Let's talk about Metasploit. You've probably heard the name, whispered like it's a weapon. Metasploit isn't malware. It's a toolbox, a framework used to test how systems fail. When someone knows where to look, security teams use it to find weaknesses before attackers do. Attackers use it because it saves time. Metasploit doesn't magically hack anything. It needs something to be wrong already. An unpatched service, a misconfiguration, a forgotten port. When it works, it's not showing off skill. It's proving neglect. The uncomfortable part is this. Tools like Metasploit make attacks repeatable. One vulnerability found once can be tested everywhere, automatically. Metasploit doesn't create danger. It measures it. If a single tool can compromise your system, that's not because the tool is powerful. It's because the problem was waiting to be demonstrated.